Hello again, friends. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 7 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is our sketch here. Yesterday my husband was not feeling good and my craft room sits right next to where he was taking a little siesta on the couch. So I just went ahead and was crafting and created some stuff. So I don't have a process video. I have a layout overview. So this fun sketch right here, we had a whole bunch of there was 3 photos and all kinds of stuff going on with lines. So open to interpretation, I say. And here is what I did with it. So I used this collection from Cartabella, and I wanted to do some of our Vegas trip in 2022 for my son Sam's 21st birthday. And that's the Eiffel Tower. So here Sam is with the Eiffel Tower, and then me and Sam, I cut most of the Eiffel Tower out because, you know, you get the point. And I really wanted to just get this on here because I used all of these really busy pieces of pattern paper. And the reason I did it is because they have the Eiffel Tower on it, and these were the only pictures that I had of this. So I wanted to try to incorporate all of the Eiffel Tower stuff. I took some cardstock, some navy, not navy, it's more of a lagoon type color, and I matted everything. So the photos and everything got matted so that you could see the pattern paper, and that is a good example of how you guys can use lots and lots of busy pattern papers, but you can still see the definition in the papers. I took this one cute little piece from the cut-aparts and glued in some of these Coastal Divide sequins from Spiegelmom Scraps. If you would like to pick those up, there is an affiliate link down below. Use my code and get some percentages off, so it's fun to use codes. This actually fell earlier. You guys, here's the releases. This year's releases. I think I've got January, February, March, and April in there, so I keep those hung up over here so I could use those first. But this collection, the Coastal Divide, had those little peachy pink flowers like this paper here. I went ahead and fussy cut this piece out, and this piece, and this piece. And then I just kind of popped some things in, little arrows. I put that banner there, you know, fun times. I put the arrow because life is good, let's go. I put in some little see-through stickers. Passport, didn't really need our passport, but eh. And this one says, "My boy, you're the best." Pop that one up on foam. This is popped up on foam. This is popped up on foam. This is popped up on foam. And this is just stuck right here. And this is popped up on foam. So this is my How to Kill a Kit with a Style for Q1. You guys, this is morning of day 2. And so you will see these collections and kits come back because for Q3 I have got a different How to Kill a Kit that I will be using. So I will not be using this stuff. So I will put them away. We'll pull them out here and there, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. But yeah, so I thought that was kind of cool and fun. I did go ahead and gut that, but I could not. I always, when I got the paper, now mind you, I have tons of card stock, and this is some Recollections cardstock from a paper pad, but I didn't really want to just waste it for the sake of excuse me, for using it up. But when I got it, I always seal it up with washi, and I just run that right along there, and I always add tape because, you know, sometimes washi fails, but I always feel, whoa, just so that it's sealed. And papers don't catch, because here's the thing, honest to goodness, I put my layouts away maybe twice a year. So I keep them in iris containers, and once all of the iris containers are full, then I have to put my layouts away. And sometimes I only do enough to get me through the next few months, because putting layouts away is the least favorite part of, oh, there you go, of scrapbooking for me. And this is the most that washi tape gets used in my craft room, other than on my planner. Like, alright you guys, I'm a Grateful Dead fan. I'm a hippie at heart, but yeah, so I use stickers and washi tape in my planner. So I've got the Hobonichi, and we just have a whole bunch of fun stuff. And the monthly and the weekly are my scrapbooking YouTube design team things, and then these is my life. So yeah, that's about as much as I use washi. Anyway, we diverted. So don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. My personal prompt for the day, if you guys are playing along, was distressed edges. I didn't do that. It's totally fine. I just do it, you know, to try to help myself remember to do certain things and techniques, and I didn't do it this time, so that's alright. We'll play with it some other time. Alright, you guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for hanging out. Don't forget to do all the fun YouTubey things like subscribe, join memberships, check out Facebook groups and join them. Use affiliate codes, leave comments. We love to hear from you, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.